Sakyukan is a beautifully preserved cultural facility in Niigata City, originally built in 1933 as the residence of the local Bank of Japan branch manager. Located atop a sand dune, it blends traditional Japanese and Western architectural styles. Today, it serves as a public space for exhibitions, events, and quiet reflection. Admission is completely free, making it accessible to all visitors. Saryo Rokka is a cozy cafe in the reception room, offering Japanese sweets and tea. It's a peaceful spot to relax and enjoy views of the garden and traditional interiors. Sakyukan's garden features seasonal flowers, stone paths. It reflects the harmony of Japanese landscaping and offers a tranquil escape in the city. Visitors can freely explore the building and garden, attend cultural events, or rent rooms for workshops and exhibitions. The facility is open daily and entry is free of charge. Staff provide multilingual support, ensuring a welcoming experience for international guests. The first floor includes the zashiki, formal tatami room, living room, and tea room. These spaces showcase traditional Japanese design and are used for exhibitions and events. Visitors can walk through and experience the elegance of early 20th century interiors. All areas are open to the public free of charge. The Kara is a traditional storehouse, now used as a gallery. Its thick walls and wooden beams preserve art and historical items. Exhibitions here highlight Niigata's culture and creativity. Admission is free, and the space is open to all. These rooms retain their original layout and materials. Though unfurnished, they offer insight into traditional Japanese architecture and are sometimes used for workshops. Visitors can explore freely. Used for hosting important guests, these rooms feature tatami floors and garden views. They reflect refined hospitality and are open for viewing or cultural events. A wooden staircase connects the second floor to the first. Its design highlights the building's harmony and craftsmanship. Sakyukan is easily reached by foot, bus, or bicycle. The Niigata 2 kilometers share cycle system offers convenient bike rentals via smartphone. Stations are located near Sakyukan, making it easy to explore the city sustainably. A short walk leads to Doppelzaka, a scenic slope known for its poetic charm and quiet beauty.